Yang profit sharing medyo lisod.
Lisod, oo.
Pwede ko dire kay ako ra.
Yee, with your camera again.
So nagkuhan po rin ka IELTS, ma'am?
The one I
Lisod mga IELTS lagi na kay band score nga ikuan labi lang ay mo hang student na ay band score nga giapas like 7 kung usually Canada, Australia 7 man sila.
Don't worry. It's always me. And yeah, you love your wife.
So listening.
Ang ilang
Weakness na akong listening.
Hello.
You're all in the picture.
Sila usually sa speaking ug kuan listening.
No, I add this without comment to my
Pero na ako
YouTube account.
kay actually ang kanang
Without
gi-franchise
comment.
ilag yung
Simply
kanang
Philippines, no comment.
So kuan na sila kanang award.
That's it.
Award,
na sila.
okay.
No names, no
Na
address.
ako yung mga
And I think
photo,
you might,
Pero
some
wala,
friends may look on
nine
this
lang,
page from you and then, oh, I saw you.
Yan, syempre, group of 5 man per kuan.
Minumdum ka ng IELTS kung tudlo mo na before ang speaking kay tulog